Dental material revolution. Why startups should manufacture nano resin composite. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we are diving into the world of dental tech and a potential gold mine for entrepreneurs, nano resin modified bulk composite for dental applications. What is the nano resin modified bulk composite for dental application? Nano resin modified bulk composite for dental application is an innovative dental filling material that integrates nanoparticles into its resin composition. These nanoparticles enhance the strength, longevity, and visual appeal of the fillings over conventional composites. This advancement may enable dentists to fill cavities in just one layer, streamlining the process and minimizing patient discomfort. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is that? Nano resin composites are transforming dentistry with their innovative properties. These materials are engineered for strength and durability, yet they closely mimic the natural appearance of teeth. What sets nano resin composites apart is the use of nanoparticles, which enhance their structural integrity and aesthetic quality. Dentists particularly appreciate the advantage of bulk curing. This technique allows them to set and cure the filling in a single step, streamlining the procedure and minimizing potential flaws. So, why should you be the one to get this into dentists' hands? Let's break down the reasons. High demand, growing market. People are increasingly seeking high-quality dental restorations and minimally invasive procedures. Nano resin composites tick both boxes, making them a hot commodity in the ever-evolving dental industry. Lucrative business opportunity. With the market projected for rapid growth, there's a huge space to carve your niche. Early movers have the potential to reap significant rewards. Investment potential. We are talking about a starting point of around 4 lakhs for plant and machinery, with a total project cost of 96 lakhs. That's a very reasonable investment for the potential returns. Why entrepreneurs should start nano resin composites business? The dental sector demands robust and enduring materials. Nano resin composites outperform traditional composites by offering enhanced aesthetics, greater durability, and quicker application times. Entrepreneurs venturing into this expanding market can leverage the rising demand for efficient and superior dental restorations. Benefits and advantages of manufacturing nano resin composites. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of why this product is a winner. Superior strength and durability. Nanotechnology makes these composites incredibly strong and resistant to wear and tear, leading to longer-lasting fillings for patients. Natural-looking aesthetics. The nanoparticles allow for excellent light reflection, mimicking the natural translucency of teeth. Patients will love their new, undetectable fillings. Faster, more efficient procedures. Bulk curing saves valuable dentist time and reduces the number of clinic visits needed. Minimally invasive dentistry. This aligns perfectly with the growing trend towards preserving natural tooth structure. India or global market outlook. The Indian dental industry is currently experiencing rapid expansion, and with it, the demand for advanced materials like nano resin composites is expected to dramatically increase. Similarly, the global market is also poised for significant growth, making it an ideal time to establish yourself as a supplier in this flourishing sector. Promising prospects. Nano resin composites in dentistry. The worldwide market for dental composites is forecasted to undergo robust growth, spurred by an increased emphasis on minimally invasive treatments and aesthetic enhancements. Nano resin modified bulk composites, known for their superior strength, longevity, and attractive appearance, are set to become a key component in this expanding market. India, with its burgeoning dental care industry, offers a promising venue for the deployment of this cutting-edge material. Business opportunities of nano resin modified bulk composite for dental applications. Nano resin composites bring notable benefits to the field of dentistry. These materials merge the resilience and durability of traditional composites with enhanced aesthetics, ease of handling, and efficient placement. The rising demand for minimally invasive dental treatments, combined with patient preferences for natural-looking restorations, underscores the significant market potential for nano resin composites in a variety of dental applications. Conclusion: If you are an entrepreneur with an eye for the future and the dental industry, this is a chance to get in on the ground floor of a revolutionary technology. So, do your research, explore the possibilities, and who knows, you might just be the one to put a smile on countless faces and your bank account. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more business ideas and industry insights.